In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Sonic Forces mod menu fully working on both iOS and Android. This method gives you access to all available mod features, including unlimited red rings, unlimited emeralds, and much more. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu comes packed with powerful options such as God Mode, unlimited red rings and emeralds, unlock all characters and features, and several additional enhancements that completely change the gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Sonic Forces game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Sonic Forces, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. The next step is to check the pinned comment below this video. I've explained everything there, including where and how to get Sonic Forces++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!